everybody. It's Kelly and I'm back with another layout today. And I'm going to use this awesome soccer paper that is from Reminisce. It's the soccer collection. It's the splash paper. And then I'm going to, because I wanted a blue around that to emphasize the blue because it's so different than the other colors on this sheet. I wanted to add a splash of that. So I'm going to use this blue stripe paper, which is Doodlebug Petite Prints in the blue jean dot stripe. And you see that paper is fantastic. So my grandson's team this year was yellow. That was kind of like their color. So I wanted to add that in. I knew I was going to, on 3x4s, I normally mount them like this anyway, but I had seen this sticker that said the real football. So I thought that would be kind of funny. So I'm adding that sticker, which is from the Reminisce Soccer Collection as well. It's a die cut sticker pack. And then I added that soccer ball, which is from the Recollections Puffy sticker pack. So this is all about his last game and the friends he made, and he really developed into a great player. He was actually this summer tried out for a select team, and he actually made that team. So he like grew leaps and bounds in soccer this year. So we're proud of him. That border sticker there is also from the Reminisce Soccer Collection. It's the die cut stickers. I just liked a little something to kind of balance the stickers and stuff going on up at the top. It felt a little, I know, like it was missing something, I guess. And only their feet were covered, so no big deal. Kind of looking to see if there's anything else I want to add here. And I find this tag. That tag, it is a sticker, is from the Photoplay MVP Soccer Collection. It's the element stickers. I like the play to win. So I'm kind of playing with how I'm going to put this on there, because really, ideally, at first I thought that I would like the ball going the other direction. I think it's okay though. I think it worked out just fine. I just love the splash of color, and then bringing that yellow tag over to the right because there's so much yellow on the left here. So I'm just looking to see. There is a soccer ball on here, so I think I'm going to try to get this, I kind of played, this soccer ball probably fits it better, but then I would have two different balls on here. So I'm going to add this one in again from that Recollections collection. And I like that much better. Kind of thinking I should try to do something at the top of this, but I do want to get a title in yet. So I remembered that I had these thickers letters, these big black foam thickers letters, and I'm thinking that would be like the perfect space above this. It would take up the perfect space. So that's what I'm thinking about doing next. All right, so I am going to use my waxed paper here just to make sure that I have enough room to spell out last game here. It's a pretty big font, so I just want to make sure. I also want to get it centered over the top of the photo. I don't have to do that. I could add I suppose I could have added another embellishment somewhere or something like that, but I want this title to be big and bold. And I'm loving the black on here. I think that it really pops everything, and it kind of makes that black sticker at the bottom also make sense now. So I just wanted to get that G on there to make sure that it didn't cover the football sticker, because I was going to move it around if I had to. So this is a super easy way to do a title. It's so big and bold. All right. So I'm going to add, I'm thinking I want to add some enamel dots in, but I didn't like how the color of those Altenew dots worked. This yellow is a little bit more buttery in general. So I found this old sheet of enamel pieces that I have from Bella Boulevard. It's the enamel doodads in bell pepper. And I'm just going to add one to each of the clusters. I only had the big ones left, so I like the way that looks better. All right. So the last thing I need to do is I am going to put some twine in this tag here. That twine is from the Paper Studio, which is Hobby Lobby's brand, and it came in like a pack of 12 or something. I have twine in every color you could imagine, which is lovely. Anytime I'm looking for it, I've got it. All right, you guys, here's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.